Hi everyone, we're Team Zero for Gold. I'm Audrey.
And I'm Sanjeev here. So today we'll be talking about our clean tech prototype and the inspiration behind it.
For starters, all of us impact the environment in many different ways, directly or indirectly. Food waste, plastic waste, transport and electricity all contribute to the pollution of our environment. Our focus today is on conventional air conditioners. They require a large amount of electricity in order to run. This causes more burning of fossil fuels, which leads to air pollution and global warming. Air conditioners damage the environment, yet they are commonly used in households across the globe. In today's times, where most of us are stuck at home in quarantine, wouldn't you agree that the usage of air conditioners has gone up? We have to make changes. Introducing the zero-emission air cooling device. This device cools the warm air in your room by running through cold water and outputting the cold air back into your room. It uses much less electricity and is more eco-friendly, a suitable replacement for the air conditioners of today.
Okay, so how this device will work is by cooling down water using a special container that is made up of used coffee grounds, plastic resin, and silk. The reason why we are combining all these materials is to allow the water to evaporate and to bring in a cooling effect for this water. So this water will be then sent through pipes to an air cooling unit, or basically a styrofoam box in this case, that will draw in warm air from the surroundings and make it come into contact with the cool water, allowing the air that's coming out of the box to finally be cold air for the room. It's also important to note that the pumps for the water flow and fans for drawing the air will be made up of solar power electricity. So the inspiration behind this idea will be the COVID-19 pandemic itself because of the use of hand sanitizers and staying at home for longer durations. So when you apply alcohol hand sanitizers on your hands, you feel cold when the alcohol turns into vapor. So this gave us the idea of a cooling effect. And staying at home, while we are staying at home, we are using our TVs often, our air conditioners, fans, etc. So we are having a high electricity consumption. So this also brought about the idea of reducing electrical consumption. And so the first thought when we were coming up for this project was why not attach alcohol emitting sprays on the walls of a room? Well, it might sound well, it is impractical, but but this led to a further chain of thoughts that led us to come down to this truly individual impact of the air cooling device. Not to mention that we were also thinking about using car fuels to cool down vehicles as well. And yep, finally we are done with this air cooling device.
Thank you for
Thank
watching
you
our
for watching
video.
this video.